Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we are exploring the SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 29th of October, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 3rd of October, 2024, our system has identified the SPY stock as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.67. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has recorded a gain of 2.46%. This equates to an average return of 0.13% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within the confines of a narrow and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is an anticipated change of approximately 9.46% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 6.29% to 11.05%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a change of around 29.3% over the next year, with potential returns between 22% and 30.76%. This would mean a price range of approximately $709.77 to $760.70 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY includes the headline: the SPY ETF price ended at $581.76 on Tuesday, after gaining 0.16%. The SPY ETF price experienced a gain of 0.16% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, rising from $580.83 to $581.76. During this trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.774%, moving from a low of $578.43 to a high of $582.91. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 0.31% over the past 2 weeks. Volume rose on the last day in tandem with the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 8 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 36 million shares changed hands for approximately $20 billion and $98 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $586.12, and the lowest price was $414.21. Currently, the price is 0.74%, or $4.36, below the 52-week high of $586.12, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 is showing mixed signals as key factors influence market sentiment. Following recent discussions about the potential long-term impact of a second Trump presidency, analysts are revisiting which stocks may be vulnerable. Integral to market positioning, attention is directed towards BlackRock's insights regarding companies' earnings catching up with their high price-to-earnings ratios. This suggests a potential shift favoring companies that can demonstrate sustainable growth, potentially enhancing the SPY ETF's attractiveness in the near term. As we look ahead, the ProShares S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats ETF has performed notably well, gaining nearly 12% last quarter. This could bolster investor interest in dividend-focused strategies, especially as yields remain compelling during a period of rising bond yields, which are contributing to downward pressure on stock futures for the S&P 500 and Dow Jones. Anticipation around major tech earnings, especially from giants like Microsoft and Alphabet, adds further complexity. Strong performance from these companies could provide a much-needed boost to the index and fuel optimism among investors regarding growth prospects. Conversely, the market's latest movements suggest it might struggle to breach the $6,000 barrier soon, signaling cautious sentiment as investors await forthcoming Federal Reserve data. The evolving narrative will be critical as the market seeks clarity amidst regulatory and economic variables. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be support from the lines at $580.83 and $573.20. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, October 18, 2024, and so far it has decreased by approximately 0.484%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 51 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 36 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 59 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 233 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $543.01 and $532.90. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at $543.01. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $532.90 and $517.38. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low for this stock. Over the last day, the fund moved $4.48 between its high and low, which represents a change of 0.774%. For the past week, the fund has experienced a daily average volatility of 0.82%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $582.35. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $543.01. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $558.69, reflecting a decline of 3.97%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the SPY ETF to perform well in the near future. However, after assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of October, we anticipate that the SPY will open lower by approximately 72 cents, starting at $581.03. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please do not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. Here is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.